First, I'll head over to the Next.js Commerce repository on GitHub and download the project files to my machine. Once the download is complete, I'll open the entire project in Visual Studio Code to set up the environment. Then I'll create a .env.local file and configure the environment variables, including the company name, store domain, API keys, and all other necessary configuration details. With the environment set up, I'll move on to installing the project's dependencies. I'll open the integrated terminal in Visual Studio Code and run the command npm install. This process may take some time, as it will download and install all the necessary packages required for the project to run properly. After this process finishes, I'll build the application for production by running the npm run build command, which creates an optimized version of the site. Finally, I'll start the server using the npm run start command. Once the server starts, I'll click on the provided IP address to open the site. Let's open the website in our browser. This is the homepage of our Next.js project. Here, you can see different categories such as electronics and fashion. Using the filters, you can choose options like size, brand, or color. You can also switch between light and dark themes based on your preference. This is the product page, where you can view the product description and other details. And that's all for this video. Thank you.